Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and this time we're gonna talk about blackhead removal using cleansing oil. Pag sinabing cleansing oil, sometimes we would only think na it's used for removing makeup, pero merong mga specific na cleansing oil para sa pagtanggal ng blackheads. Blackheads and whiteheads are built up from the sebum or oil na natatrap or nakaklog sa pores natin. Konting chika lang kung paano ko ba nalaman tong product from BRTC and kung paano ba ako naging interested sa mga cleansing oil. Kasi yung may friend ako dito, also Filipina, nagpa-check up siya sa isang dermatologist kasi meron siyang breakout ng blackhead sa T-zone niya. Parang it's not common for her. So sabi niya kailangan niya ng help ng dermatologist. So to cut the story short, sabi ng dermatologist, normally daw, ang mga Koreans, they use cleansing oil to get rid of the blackheads. And then, after that, kung meron talagang hindi matanggal, then they go to a facial clinic for extraction nga. So kaya napapunta agad kami sa mga beauty stores and bumili ng deep cleansing oil. And I made a research about it, and yun nga, it's really a common thing na ginagamit nila dito for removing the blackheads. So paano nga ba gamitin ang cleansing oil to remove blackheads and whiteheads? This is the BRTC Anti-Pollution and Blackhead Cleansing Oil, which we got for 800 pesos in Philippine money. And here it is like 20,000 won. This one is the cleansing oil for blackhead and pollution, but there's also the one for makeup removal, and I really like this one. The scent is very mild lemon, which I like. I feel like parang relaxing. So while you're doing your cleansing routine, parang nakaka-relax pag naamoy mo yung ano niya, parang siyang lemongrass na parang lemon, pero very mild. So I don't want yung mga products na masyadong mabango because sometimes yung mga chemical na ginagamit nila just to make it smell good is not good for our skin. So this one I really like. So now let's proceed to cleansing our face. Take moderate amount of the product on dry hands and thoroughly apply to dry face. Gently massage for 30 seconds. Massage pa more, girl! You can do it! I do 30 seconds on the nose and 30 seconds on the chin and forehead. Add a little water and keep massaging until the oil turns milky. This is called emulsification. The dirt and oil trapped in our pores is emulsified with the cleansing oil and water. You can use room temp water, but I prefer using warm water. On my first week ng paggamit ko nito, habang minamassage ko yung cleansing oil on my face, napapansin ko may mga whiteheads and blackheads na nararob kasama nung oil. Hindi natatanggal lahat, pero yung mga black dots on my nose ay unti-unting nabawasan. Basta guys, consistency is the key para makita natin ang results. And don't forget to wash your face with your favorite facial foam. So guys, ayun, punasan lang natin ang ating... So after nyo gamitin yung deep cleansing oil, make sure you wash off everything with a facial foam. For me, after 1 week of using this, I really saw a difference on my nose, especially yung mga whiteheads and blackheads. Yung dating parang ang daming tuldok-tuldok na maliliit. Nabawasan yung mga tuldok na yun without doing anything. Hindi ako nagpapa-extract, hindi ako nagpapa-facial, hindi ko rin piniprick. Pero after a week, napansin ko, mas naging lighter siya. So yan guys, after the cleansing oil procedure, don't forget to wash your face with your favorite facial foam. So tapos na ako, and I will proceed with my other skincare steps. I'm so happy kasi may na-share na naman ako sa inyo na tip na natutunan ko din from living here in Korea. And kung share din kayong mga tips sa akin kung paano magtanggal ng blackheads, please comment down below. Thank you for watching! Bye-bye!